I think the WeChat ecosystem will probably produce a whole host of new companies, and especially with WeChat mini programs, you might see almost like a new app store. You know, if it replaces Apple App Store or Android, you know, what you'll have is a lot of new products being built, new tools being built in mini programs, which will give rise to a lot of new innovative ideas. And beyond that, I think you'll continue to see disruption in some of the O2O and offline ideas that have been happening. This year, so far in January, crypto has been a big theme. We'll kind of see how that plays throughout the year. I think that a lot of Chinese brands, you know, there's been a sort of consumer upgrade trend, and I think a lot of consumer brands, specifically brands and Chinese brands themselves, will see a lot of breakthroughs this year and become more popular, which I think is really exciting for Chinese consumers to be buying Chinese local-made products for them instead of like eating McDonald's or buying like Maybelline, you know, for example. We're really looking at the team. I think early on, a lot of ideas, you don't know what's going to, you know, make it or not. And I think we're really looking for the strongest entrepreneur that we can back, smartest person, speed, thoughtfulness, their leadership ability to influence people, and their team. You know, it's really important to us that an entrepreneur has a team, not just one person who's very strong, but 2 to 3 people who are equally as strong to do something great. I do, because I think Chinese product people are some of the best in the world, and I think a lot of people had experience, like we have a company called Castbox. She worked for Google in Japan and like Ireland before, so she has global experience. So these people will build more and more products for global, and you saw the exit with Musical.ly this year, so you know, I do think you'll see original innovations for the global market from China. It's already happening. Yeah. Their autonomous driving, I think, is happening faster than we expect and super interesting. Different themes would be, I think consumer upgrade continues to be a theme. Chinese brands, some of the things are another theme. I mean, I don't know. I mean, we can't really predict the themes. What we can predict is what we see are entrepreneurs, and then once a few of them start doing the same thing, it becomes a theme. So I can't really tell you what the real trends are going to be but we have our eyes, certainly continue to have our eyes on AI and consumer upgrade. Yeah.